Hello, my name is Amy Sturkey. I am a pediatric physical therapist, and I am here with Everett. And Everett is 1 year, 3 months old, and he's working on sitting balance. He's working on pushing up on straight arms. And his mom says that whenever he's on his belly, he always rolls over his left side and doesn't roll over his right side. Thank you for demonstrating. And over we go, back. Whoop, getting that arm up. So one of the things I noticed is when he's on his stomach, he pretty quickly weight shifts to his left, and if he reaches, he tends to reach with his right arm, although he will reach with the left. It is good that he can reach up when he's on his stomach. So reaching starts off, I see you figured that out. Reaching starts off with them sliding their arm forward and then later lifting up his arms. He can lift up both arms now, that's good. But this preference of going off to his left side, we need to work on. So what I do, is bring him off to his stomach. Yep. And then practice the weight shift off to the right. So I get him on his elbows and, hello, hear it. Wait, see, I just keep getting off of that. I see, yeah, I see. Here we go. I know, Everett. I know, Everett. I see how you're getting those knees up underneath you. Can we get up here? And I want to work on practicing weight shifting off to the right. I hear how hard that is. So I'm blocking this elbow and so that we can weight shift over it. Weight shift over it. Let's see if we get that piano. Yeah. And we weight shift over here so we can play with it. What do you think? I got it. I hear how upsetting it is to go off to the right. Oh, my stars. Immediately wanting to tuck those legs up under so he can go. Let's see. If I get you this way, can you go? I hear how maddening it is. Oh, I think you're fine. I think you're fine. Let's try it again, Everett. Up here, and we're going this way. No, it's maddening. So I would work on weight shifting off to the right when he's on his stomach. Everett says, that's enough of that work. We're gonna go this way though. Yeah, we're gonna go this way out. Nice. That's all it is. You just gotta go the other way. I hear it. So it's an easy thing to work on. Hey. When he's on his stomach, propping on his arms and weight shifting him off to the right. And then when you see that he wants to roll, help him roll the opposite direction. I know it. I hope this is helpful, and we'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks a lot. You're fine. Bye-bye.